Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna unbox a new MacBook Pro. No, it's not the one with the M1 Pro or Max chip. It's actually the 2020 model. I didn't really see the benefits of getting the 2021 model since it's very much more expensive. So I actually enjoyed and bought the 2020 model. It is a model with, you can say, 20 hours battery, 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 8 gigabyte RAM. It's a 13.3-inch screen, Retina screen, and yeah, so it's a lovely model. And I thought, like, why not open it up together with you, and let's also do some game testing on it. Like, let's play some MMOs, different games. You can actually see my face in the mirror here. So let's open up and see what's inside. So first of all, here we have the box, which is, I would already say, like, from out of the box, the box itself is like a lot prettier than normal laptops I'm used to buy. I can see, like, we have a sticker-ish thing. We have, there we go. The plastic, it feels very, very good to peel off. There we go. And then it's coming. Hold on. Boom. So here's the box. It's empty inside. Feels good inside. Smells weird. And here we have it. Feels good. It is the first time I have ever got a MacBook. I've never in my life had a MacBook, and now was the time to finally try out the system and see what's everyone talking about. Feels good. I really like the material. It feels very good. So if we, like, take it up, we have, like, the MacBook itself here. Let's put away the package. Like we can see here, it's the MacBook here. It is goddamn beautiful. Like, I don't know, it's I didn't expect to, like, fall that much in love with it, but it's really, like, good looking. And we have, like, some plastic we can peel off here. Damn, this is quality. Definitely quality. I love it. I love it. I can already feel, you can, like, see my face here. That's my eye. I see you. Like, I can already feel how much in love I'm gonna get with this machine. Jesus. Okay. Let's see what's inside the box else. So we have, like, a cable here. It's using USB-C to USB-C, as you can see, and it has this wrap around it. Okay. And what else do we have here? We have some kind of, like, a little book. Oh, of course, free Apple stickers, as always. That's nice. And some kind of, like, well, we can say it all out. Like some MacBook Pro guide tutorials and some papers. Okay, can we fit it in again? Huh, we actually fitted it in. And the stickers, I'm always using these stickers, like, having them all over the place in my house. And then we have a huge charger. Like, look at this plastic they have around it. Feels like paper. Nice. I like it. It has a good size. It's also using USB-C as the charging cable. And how many watts is it? It says, I'm not quite sure if I actually understand what it says on the watt. Since it says 60, 44, and 27, so I don't know if it can run up to like 60. Can it actually like focus on it? No. Okay, never mind. Okay, so that's what's in the box. It has nothing more, is there? No. Oh my god. The material in the box is also just feeling quality. I mean, everything about this unboxing just feels quality-ish. I've never tried that from a Windows PC. I have to admit, like that I've never bought a super expensive Windows PC, like a Razer Blade or anything like that, so I don't know if that's actually like a thing. But here we have it. This is the first time I'm ever having one of these. I am so excited to get started. So what's actually happening when we do like this? Oh, did you hear that? That sounded like amazing. Okay, I guess there's like some kind of paper we have to put. Wow.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Huh, it's already speaking to me. Okay, let me do some quick setup and then I'll come back to you guys. So doing a quick test with League of Legends, we can see the game runs absolutely beautiful. We have a frame rate which is stable on 90 to 100. Keep in mind the screen is basically only 60 hertz, so I could cap it at 60 so we don't use, well, you know, kind of waste resources anyway, but still it shows that this processor inside here, which is just a little chip with a graphic card and a processor, is able to run League of Legends with a static 80 FPS. I mean, I know right now I'm playing like a practice with no enemies, so it's basically just like me, but still I have every setting in the game on highest. I have the resolution on this high, that is really high. I have everything on very high, and I still have a frame rate which is insane. So that is pretty cool. I think that just shows off that this little MacBook with only a little processor inside with an integrated GPU and CPU is strong enough to play games, which is super cool. Then also doing a test in Albion Online, which is a MMORPG, and we can see again the quality is crystal clean. I mean, this screen, I mean, from the normal gaming screens I have to this, it's just like, you can definitely see there's some kind of Retina glass because it's just so crystal clean. But I can see here it keeps a very cool frame rate on 60. And this game doesn't, for some reason, doesn't go over 60. I think it's no matter what, even if I disable vertical sync, it still does it. But you can see here, the resolution is like extremely high. We could probably put it down since I saw yeah, we can definitely put it down because it didn't change anything from going to that. Let me just see it quickly. Can you see default? So this is how the background looks right now and the quality, and yeah, it basically doesn't change anything. So that means the frame rate should now be even more persistent on 60. And let's see, all the qualities right now are on, let's try to take off VSync and frame rate limit to 200. Let's try put quality on ultra, and let's see here. Now it has a persistent frame rate on 44. And again, but that's the thing, like, do we really need to have the game on ultra? Nah, I don't think. Let's put it down on high. When high, then we get our good 60 frame rate, which is probably what we need. We could even go down on medium and make sure the game even runs better. But still, this is, again, we're playing League of Legends and Albion Online on really smooth frame rate on on a PC that doesn't even have a, you know, like an integrated GPU, but it's all in just one chip. So personally, if you ask me, this test has been amazing. I didn't expect anything from buying this MacBook. I didn't expect to be able to play games. I actually thought it would be worse than it is. But having so high frame rate in Albion and League of Legends is amazing. It's another story that a lot of game developers, they don't support the new M1 MacBook because it's running on an ARM processor instead of an Intel processor. So a lot of games suddenly doesn't work to it anymore, like Elder Scrolls Online. That's sad, but that's just how it is. So that's the thing. If you're an Apple gamer, MacBook gamer, you don't have the big gaming category, like catalog, but still games run really smooth. And Steam still has a lot of games you can play. So that's how it is. So thanks for watching my unboxing. It was a pleasure making this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave down a comment and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.